inside. And then I saw her stumble outside. I said, let me watch her.
It's a lie,
She
it's a lie. Don't believe
injected something inside your drink.
Ha!
You wanted to unalive her?
Bella! No,
What have I done wrong to you?
Ha! No,
Why do you want to unalive me now?
My wife? What did she do to you?
Uncle, there is nothing inside that
So
drink.
you have this kind of mind?
There is nothing inside the drink.
There's nothing. Oh, yeah, drink it.
No, I'm not drinking it.
No, there's nothing inside, so drink
No, it's
it.
got flat tummy now. I have flat tummy
Okay,
already.
drink it now.
No.
So you wanted to unalive her?
Ha!
What did she do to you? Speak now.
It's because, no.
No. What is no?
Is it not because of you? Leave me alone. Is it not because of you?
Because of me, how?
Every time you be buying her hair, she's looking at her phone again. She wants to buy other hair, and you are the one to buy it. I've not gotten my own hair.
Bella!
See, every time that you be buying her things, I don't want.
Do I buy you things?
Shit.
This phone you're using, who bought it for you?
The phone.
Have
See,
you ever gone
the
to the
battery
market
is
to
not.
buy any clothes?
See, the battery is not good.
All the hair
battery
you've
is
been
not
making,
good.
I've not been the one paying for them.
How many hairs? Is it not just 2 hairs? How many hair do you have? Plenty hairs, and you still want to buy another one.
This is somebody that I met in how many years ago? But I've known you since you were a child, since you were born, and I've been showing you love.
I
Yet
don't
you want
like
to unalive my wife?
I don't like her, and you are not married to her. Go to your house. My brother is not married to you. Just pack your
Are you
load and go
sure
and
it is the
with me.
same mother and father that raised you?
Bella, is this you?
Where did you learn all this? She's not even
You
divorced
don't
me.
leave me alone. See, I don't like how she should be going. Leave my brother's house. I don't want to see you in my brother's house
You
again.
didn't even have remorse. You wanted to unalive somebody. So what would have happened if she had gone?
Every time, Bella, come and see the hair. Bella, come and see what your brother got for me. Bella, where's my own? Every time you be spending for her.
Do I buy things for you or not?
How many things? All those are barmaid.
You will leave this house.
I'm not living anywhere. This is my brother's house, and I'm going to say she's the one to leave. She's the one to leave. You are the one to leave. Go and pack your things and go.
I see what my good heart has cost me.
Good heart.
Imagine that I didn't come out to see you. So that's how I would have just come to say, my tummy. You're not even remorseful.
Remorse.
It is either you live here or come.
Take and drink.
Bella, are you sick?
Leave me alone.
Please. Oh, I have to call the police.
What's your problem? No, I'm not going anywhere. Come and be going. Go. I'm not going anywhere. Leave. I
I
don't
think I
like
have to call the
you.
police because this is
I
the
don't
case
like
of-
you.
This is
Take
the
this
case
in
of-
and drink. You must drink.
So this is you, right?
This is me. Do you know me before? Go to your mother's house. He's not married to you.
Officer, please.
He's not married to you.
Officer, please. Officer, please. I don't have energy to shout. Come and get my sister. When you come here, I will explain everything to you. For now, I'm taking her inside.
Which nonsense officer is that one?
Yes, you know the house.
Oh, shit.
All right.
Every time.
Are you sure this is your sister from the same
Don't
mother and
waste
father?
that thing. I use that thing is expensive.